Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you thrill seekers and commuters alike. Feast your eyes on the Blitzart 38 Hurricane Electric Longboard. This right here is not just any electric longboard. It's the best value electric longboard available in the market today. First off, let's talk speed and range. With a max speed of up to 19 miles per hour and a range of 8 to 10 miles on a single charge. This board is your ticket to thrilling rides and hassle-free commutes. And check out this sleek wireless remote. It's ergonomic, easy to hold, and gives you full control over acceleration, deceleration, and even reverse capability. Plus, it comes with 2 speed modes, catering to both beginners and advanced riders. Now, let's talk durability. The Blitzart Hurricane features a premium deck design with 7-ply maple wood sandwiched between layers of bamboo. This not only adds flexibility and sturdiness but also ensures a comfortable ride every time. And let's not forget about the heart of this beast, the 350W brushless hub motor. Unlike belt-driven motors, hub motors are more reliable, quieter, and allow you to ride the board like a regular skateboard, with or without the battery. But what really sets the Blitzart Hurricane apart is the convenience it offers. It ships fully assembled and ready to ride, saving you time and hassle. Plus, with US-based customer support, you can rest assured knowing help is just a call away. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the speed, value, and ease of riding this board provides. And with superb customer service backing it up, you can trust that your investment is in good hands. So there you have it, folks. The Blitzart 38 Hurricane Electric Longboard, the best value electric longboard on the market. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving up the streets, this board has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy riding.